Hey everyone. So, how do we love ourselves? And this can be the $1,000,000 question. How do we do that when we haven't been given the tools to love ourselves? It can be a really difficult thing to learn how to do when we've been more in this state of self-loathing rather than self-loving, because we think that loving ourselves means that we have to be perfect or do certain things or behave a certain way, or when X, Y, and Z are completed, then I can love myself, or I can't love myself because of something I did a long, long time ago, or because someone said I was unlovable. The thing is that loving ourselves is all part of who we are. This love within us, when we build on that, when we create that strong, loving presence within ourselves, that strong bond of love within ourselves, then we will be able to show that and share that with other people. So, how do we love ourselves? Well, that can be very difficult, and it is a journey. It is a long process, because when you are self-loathing, you've got to work your way up to learning that self-love. So you just start with a baby step, one step at a time, where you begin to meditate, reflect, where you begin to understand yourself, where you learn that loving yourself is not selfish. When you learn that loving yourself is a natural way of being. So you take that first step, and maybe that first step is going within. Maybe it is self-reflection and journaling. Maybe it is taking a workshop or reading a book on self-love. And it's just all changing those patterns, changing that mindset, so that you can begin to learn something new about yourself, so you can begin to learn a new way of being. So I hope this helped you, and I will see you next time. Bye.